In this video, we will show you how to replace your driver's side front window and door lock switch on this Honda Civic. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. On the inside of the door panel, we're going to start removing this trim panel, which houses several switches. For this, I'm just using a small plastic trim tool. We'll make our way in between the trim panel and the door panel itself along this forward side here and start prying it up along the way. There we are. Now on this far side here, it does actually have one tab that protrudes inside of this area approximately this far, so we're just going to go ahead and pull that out. There's that. Now as we pull this up and out of position, we can start disconnecting our electrical connectors along the inboard side. Let's start disconnecting the window switch wiring harness. For this, you want to look for this white tab. Inside of this area, I'm using my pocket screwdriver, depressing the locking tab, and now we can start pivoting this. This entire thing should pivot and pull this out and away from the switch itself. Just a quick inspection for corrosion, of course. That looks fine. Now we'll make our way up here towards where our mirror switch is located. That has a locking tab right over here. Just go ahead and press that in as well. You can use your finger or a small pocket screwdriver. We'll pull that out of place as well. There we are. Let's get this over to the bench. Now with this over on the bench, we can start removing our window switch, which is the larger switch area here. For this, you're going to find that you have 4 Phillips head screws making their way around, so let's just start removing each of those. These are very small screws. Replace as necessary. Let's take hold of that switch. We're holding onto the panel, and we'll separate the two. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready to install the window and door lock switch assembly. Let's get this in position. Bringing this right over its plastic panel, we'll slide it into the proper positioning, aligning all 4 of our mounting bolt ports. Once they're aligned, go ahead and start in all the mounting bolts, and then we'll snug them up. Keep in mind, when tightening these, you are only screwing into plastic. Do not over tighten and potentially break something. Double check, make sure that's properly secured. Let's get this over to the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and connect this in along the back side. We'll start with our window switch. That's the larger of the two connectors. Go ahead and press that in, listen for a click there. Mirror switch, audible click. Bring this around. We're going to start getting this in position. You're going to have to start with this area here, bringing it underneath the armrest. Just come in at an angle. Line it up, press it in. Now that we have everything back together, we need to test the functionality and reset the auto function. For that, make sure you have the key in the on position. We're going to power the window down, holding the switch down for 10 seconds. After that, you can release it, and then we're going to hold the switch in the upright position, bringing the window to the fully upright position, holding that switch for approximately 10 seconds again. 1, 2, and so on. 2, so on. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.